Just you tried this question, no? One root is twice the other root of this quadratic equation. Find the value of a. అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ నువ్వు సంథింగ్ తీసుకో, ఏ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ సమ్ రియల్ నెంబర్, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ ఇట్ అండ్ యూ solve the equation. Your roots must get is one root is twice the other root. So that roots are, one root is 2, then other root is 2, 2s are 4, must get it. Otherwise one root is 3, then other root is 2, 3s are 6, must get it. Okay, easily we can solve this problem. One root is twice the other root, then find the k value. We have the relation. That CDF points most important, I said, no? Tell me it. The ratio of the roots alpha is to beta equal to m is to n. Then your condition is fantastic. Mn b square is equal to m plus n whole square into AC. Substitute in it, your problem be solved. So what is m value? One is twice the other, no? Alpha is to beta equal to what did you get? 2 is to 1, because one root is twice the other root. So 2 into 1, 2, b square, what is meant by b? B value is x coefficient, 3a minus 1 whole square is equal. Your m value is 2 and your n value is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 whole square. A is nothing but x square coefficient, that is a square minus 5a plus 3 into what is c? C value is 2. So simplify it. You know a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is equal to 3 square 9. 9 2s are 18 of a square minus 5a plus 3. So simplify it and definitely you get it a value. You tried, no? So it is a excellent problem, and that problem also has given JEE mains. Okay, what is given? One right angle triangle whose right angle at R. So PQR is a right angled triangle. Then from this some observations you have to do it. To do that problem, you know some basic points that we will discuss now. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now here R is 90 degrees, then what is the sum of the angles? P plus Q, definitely 90 degrees, because 90 plus these sum 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Then you have to 2 by 2. Okay, divided by 2 each and every term. Then you will get it. P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. Why did you divide by 2? You have to divide by 3, no? Did you get such kind of a doubt? Observe the problem, definitely you know. Their roots are given tan p by 2 comma tan q by 2. So that's why divided by 2 we done. ఒక్క విషయం మైండ్లో పెట్టేసుకోండి. One thing you have to keep in your mind, that is observe the problem well. That problem gives you 50% of solution when you are reading the problem well, when you observe the problem well. Now one more formula you have to remind it. Tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, this is the information enough to do this problem. What is given? Your quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. What are the roots of this equation? Tan p by 2 and tan q by 2. These are the roots of this equation that is given in problem. Sum of the roots formula, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So that's why tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 equal to minus b by a. What is the product of the roots? Tan p by 2 into tan q by 2. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. Tell me here, tan of, here apply on both sides tan. apply on both sides tan, then problem is over. Tan of p by 2 plus q by 2 is equal to tan 45 degrees. So tan a plus b formula, what is it? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 value is fantastic, minus b by a whole by 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 value is c by a is equal to 1. From this you get it, minus b by a is equal to cross multiply 1 minus c by a. So take a LCM, minus b by a is equal to a into 1, a minus c by a get cancelled, a get cancelled because a not equal to 0, no, get cancelled easily. Now observe here, what did you get? Minus b transpose right side, you get it, a plus b minus c transpose this side plus c. So your answer is a plus b is equal to c. So this is the condition definitely satisfies when the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are tan b by 2, tan p by 2 comma tan q by 2, where p comma q are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Your equation is x square plus px plus q, x square plus px plus q equal to 0. This is your equation, and the roots of this equation is tan 30 degrees comma tan 15 degrees. These are the roots of this equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0. Then what you have to find out? Find the value of 2 plus q minus p. Listen carefully. Given one quadratic equation, your quadratic equation is x square plus px plus q equal to 0, and your roots are tan 30 degrees and tan 15 degrees. Now find the 2 plus q minus p value. Okay, in fact this is the problem easily you can handle. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3, that is standard angle only. Tan 15 degrees value is 2 minus root 3. So with the help of that, directly you know the roots, you find out the equation and you find out p and q values, you get it. Otherwise one more simplest method is there that I am discussing now. Tell me sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, tan 30 degrees plus tan 15 degrees. What is the formula for sum of the roots? Minus b by a means minus p by 1 is nothing but a minus p, and product of the roots tan 30 degrees into tan 15 degrees. Product of the roots formula is c by a. Here c value is q and a value is 1, so q by 1, that is q by 1. Now observe here, it is the sum of the roots and it is the product of the roots. In previous class we discussed one formula. What is it? Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So using that formula we did third problem. Same, this one also like that only. Observe here, 30 degrees is there, 45 degrees is there. I am choosing, it is the intelligent step. Your intelligence be here only. So tell me, tan 30 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan, it is not a 45, no students. Observe, it is a 15 degrees. That is 15. One root is tan 15 and other root is tan 13. So now 30 plus 15 degrees is tan 45 degrees. And tan A plus tan A plus tan B. See here. Tan 30 degrees plus tan 15 degrees value, you know. What is it? Minus P by 1 minus tan 30 into tan 15 degrees value is Q. And tan 45 value is 1. 1 is equal to minus P by 1 minus Q. From this, you do cross multiply. Okay. Understand? No? 1 minus Q. 1 minus Q is equal to minus P. This send that side. 1 is equal to Q minus P. What is the Q minus P value? Now tell me this value, no, 2 plus Q minus P, you got it 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, your answer. Which option? Yes, fantastic. Fourth option.